Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of Frank Can Do It. If I can do it, so can you. Today we will be eating baked crispy skin extra tender chicken. Koreans call this dakgui. This is one of my easiest recipes. The chicken comes out with a light crispy skin and a juicy tender meat. The recipe I have for you today is simple, easy, and most importantly, delicious. The difficulty rating for this dish is a 1 star out of 5. That means this is very easy. Here is a breakdown of the 5-star rating scale. The ingredients are very basic. Preparation is very easy. Cooking is very easy as well. All you need is to know how to use an oven. The cost should range between $10 and $15 depending on where you buy your chicken. Alright, get ready to take a screenshot of the ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need half of an onion, black pepper, salt, small potatoes, and if you don't have small potatoes, you can cut a larger potato, a stick of butter, 6 to 8 cloves of peeled garlic, skin on and bone in chicken thighs. First we will slice the butter into 1/4 or 1/2 tablespoon slices. You will need at least 1 slice for every chicken thigh that you're cooking. They should be about 2 centimeters thick. Now we can prepare the rest of the ingredients all at once. Place the chicken thighs face up in a baking glass dish or baking pan. Make sure that the walls of the baking pan is at least 1 inch high. The reason is the butter and the juices from the chicken will collect at the bottom. Next, add your small potatoes or cut larger potatoes into quarters or 4 different sections. Place them throughout the pan between the chicken thighs, with the round part of the potato facing down and the flat part facing up. This will prevent them from burning and sticking to the bottom of the pan. Next, add the garlic between the chicken thighs throughout the pan. Then cut the onion in half. With one of the halves, cut it into 4 sections. While cutting the onion, cut diagonally towards the middle 3 times. Then take the half top portion of each section and place it throughout the pan between the chicken thighs. Place them with the wide end on top and the narrow end on the bottom like a wedge. Sprinkle a little black pepper and salt on each individual thigh. Finally, place 1 pre-cut square of butter on each of the thighs. And that's it. Now it's ready to cook. It's important that you preheat the oven at 375 degrees. Once the temperature climbs over 300 degrees, go ahead and put the chicken on the middle rack. And set the timer for 2 hours. As it cooks, you'll be able to see the outer skin become light brown and crispy, while the inside meat becomes soft and tender, cooking in its own juices and butter. If you like light, crispy chicken skin and fall off the bone, juicy, tender chicken meat, you'll love this dish. Not to mention the cooked onions, the buttery potatoes, and the soft garlic. You can eat this chicken with just about anything. We like to plate it on top of a bed of rice. The chicken's juices and butter makes the rice taste extra special. This actor likes to eat it with a side of sweet chili sauce. This dish's Korean word of the day is basake, which means crispy or crunchy. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and would like to see more simple, easy, delicious dishes, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.